Welcome back to Du's Kitchen. In our last video, we extracted pure homemade sunflower oil, and I told you not to throw away that leftover pulp. Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn it into a crunchy, flavorful snacks you are going to absolutely love. Let's get started. First, I bring back the sunflower pulp we set aside earlier. It is still packed with nutrients, and we are going to transform it into something really special. In a mixing bowl, I begin by adding my dry ingredients. I go in with 2 cups of corn flour, then 1 tablespoon of ginger powder for a little warmth and aroma. Next, 1 tablespoon of chili powder for that perfect touch of spice. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the flavor. And finally, 1 tablespoon of onion powder for a deep savory taste. I whisk everything together until well combined. This ensures every bite of our snacks is perfectly seasoned. Now, it is time to bring in the star of the show, our sunflower pulp. I add it straight into the bowl with the dry mix and started mixing everything together. You will notice that the pulp forms a few tiny lumps at this stage. But don't worry, we are going to fix that. To get a smooth and even mixture, I transferred everything into my food processor and blend until it is fully incorporated. This step is important because it makes sure the pulp mixes seamlessly with the flour and the spices. Once it is nice and smooth, I transfer the mixture back into my bowl. Now, I slowly begin to add water, just a little at a time, and mix it in gently using my spatula. I repeat this step about 3 times, adding small amount of water and mixing after each addition. This slow process helps control the texture of our dough and prevent it from becoming too sticky. When the mixture starts coming together, I switch from the spatula to my hands and begin kneading. Take your time with this step. Knead until you have a soft, smooth dough that does not stick to your hand. Now, I cut off a portion of the dough and place it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, I rolled it out nice and flat. The thickness here is totally up to you. If you like crispy snacks, go thinner. If you want a slightly chewy texture, keep it a bit thicker. Once rolled out, I use my special cookies cutter to cut the dough into fun shape. This part is always satisfying and gives your snacks a professional look. After cutting, I carefully place each piece into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. We are almost there. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and baked the piece for 25 minutes. During this time, they will firm up, turn golden, and develop an irresistible aroma. And just like that, our delicious sunflower pulp snacks is ready. It is crunchy on the outside, soft inside, and packed with flavor and nutrition. Best of all, we have given new life to what many people would have thrown away. This is the perfect healthy snacks for tea time, movie night, or even as a school lunch box treat. Plus, it is a great way to make sure nothing from your sunflower oil process goes to waste. If you enjoyed this zero waste recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more creative homemade recipe like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.